Breezelle actually reached out to me and sent me this lovely gift, so I'm super excited to try it out. I needed a new hair dryer. It comes in white, black, and purple, and I got the white one, so I'm going to show you guys. I love the color. I got white, and I love that it has the gold accents for the buttons. It came with 2 parts, which are right here. So I'm super excited to use these, and they just stick right on. They are magnetic, so they're not going to fall off. They're not difficult to put on. They're super easy. I love the size of this because this is perfect for travel. I don't think that it's too big for traveling. I think that you could just stick it right into your bag and it wouldn't be any problem at all. I loved using Breezelle into my hair routine. It dried my hair super fast, so less time to get ready.